Hi there, and remember it is Take a Pirate Home Day today here at Pismo Beach. Nice.
Now let's get started by letting me give you a little bit of a scenario of what my life is all about.
Hola drifters, Jay Barrick, Sandy Sage, California drifter coming at you from Pismo Beach, California. I'm here at the Price Historical House. John Price was the founder of Pismo Beach. So I've had a lot of excitement already here in Pismo Beach, even though I've only been in town for a couple of hours. When I came to the historical park here, I came up to the house and the door was open. So I walked in, and as soon as I did, the alarm system started blaring. I walked back to the parking lot here and kind of waited for the police to come cruising through with their sirens and hollering. Luckily that didn't happen. The first crew out here was the people involved with restoring this house. I met Effie and Cynthia, and they came out, and I told them what happened, and the door had blown open, it appeared, or wasn't properly shut, and that's why the door was open.
After he retired. That's all the way.
And his wife?
That was his wife, Maria Andrea Carlone. She was from one of the Santa Barbara founding families. Sorry for so noisy.
That's okay.
Okie dokie.
And you don't want to move it too much because then you'll move the door off the...
I'm ready whenever you are. Perfect. See you then. Okay.
Move the
Bye-bye.
door out, we make one like further out a little. So this is...
The drawing room. Nice early Westie. If you're trying to figure out the year of a Vanagon Westphalia, you want to look at the headlights. The round headlights tell you that it was made somewhere before 1985. After 1985, the Westphalias went with the square headlights instead of the round headlights. Uh-oh, Cinderella lost both her shoes. Spotted another Westie here. Beautiful. Later model too. This is either 88 or through 91. Beautiful condition. Nice little grove of trees here by the beach.